gosh, I hope I wonder where you're at sometime. Is your back against the wall or just across the line? Have you been standing in the rain, reciting nursery rhymes, trying to recall some long-lost kind of peace of mind? Peace of mind. Try spending the night sometime all alone in a frozen room. After need you blame, you settle in the rain. I dreamed that I got up down in my basement, and he waited there for me to have this accident, so he could drink my wine and eat me like a sacrament. I just stood there like I do, then I came and went. I came and went like a bird in the foreign sky. Couldn't even say goodbye or come and share the pain. My saddle's in the rain. Saw a friend who doesn't know if I'm his friend just yet. His eyes and the mouth were widely open and his jaw was set, like he'd fell off a cliff and hadn't hit the bottom yet. I wish he wouldn't pull those things on me without a net, without a net. I had him up to the house one time, we was having a real good time, and then he went lame, settled in the rain. In a laundromat not too far from the Alamo sits a girl who stole my records very long ago, and she wishes, wants, and washes out those dirty clothes as she shuts her eyes and dreams about One-Eyed Joe. One-Eyed Joe. The car parked on a dirty road. Heaven knows the load she pulled. Couldn't take the strain. Settled in the rain.